Welcome to Tour Life. We are now together for the next week.
I tēnei wā, kei te whakarite te rōpū rangatahi I ngā kākahu mō tō mātou whakāturanga. The festival has started, we have a big week ahead, it's all on.
So we grab one of our 4 KAHAOs and we festival, we grab our card. You know, any type of card. Right now I'm using a Breakers loyalty card.
Breakers loyalty card?
Yours. And you know, we're on keto. That's all good. So what we do now is we just midi it all up. Yeah, come on.
And only 100 more to go.
I'm going to get changed.
Okay then. See you
later. Come on, Summer.
E maha tonu ana ngā tīhate me whakamutu atu mātou nā reira. Me noho mai.
We've just arrived to the Unload East Coast Moon concert and me and Jamie were in charge of the tira.
Pretty mean, just to be a part of a festival. Didn't think it was going to be this big.
E te iwi, homai rā te paki ko hoki mai tō tātou whanaunga ki tōna wā kāinga ki tū kai pō, Rob Ruha!
Yeah, I was cheering for him loud.
I was doing one of those ones like, yeah, uncle! Definitely happy that we came here. Meanwhile, Kai and that are still at the shop printing tops, so they're missing out.
Hop it!
Welcome to Tour Life. We are now together for the next week. And so what we want to do is just set the scene for the rest of the week. We want to make sure that every environment that we occupy, it looks mean, it feels true. Wherever we eat, it's going to be mean. Tables are going to be decked out. We're all going to feel special about why we're here and every second that we're here together.
Chimmy is a bit flustered. She wants to cry.
What level of excitement is this for you?
Over here.
I've heard a lot about you guys from both Silla and Rob, and I've also been watching you guys' vlogs online, which has been cool to see.
Ka tōna whakaaweawe a mātou, ngā rangatahi ki te tito waiata me te uru ki ngā mahi waiata, and just tino pai.
Could we just do like a really huge TikTok to Zaz the Weekend?
Save the hips. And then
I waia mai Auntie Silla kia mātou, I whakamohio mai ia, he surprise tāna mā mātou. Ka hikoi mātou ki roto I te tatau, nā ka kite he waiata hau. All good though, but you know what's been pushing us these past couple of days is knowing that we're performing this week. We need to get all our clothes done. That's the main thing that's been pushing us to finish everything, sort everything out, pack everything up, and getting all our clothes done.
One tira, one voice. Hey.
Katahi anō tātou te tira, mātou te tira o KAHAO karongo, kua hinga te kuia o Rua. he tino pauri, ahua ohorere ahau. He was really close to his nanny. This nanny started his singing career. So we're just waiting to hear back from Rua about what's happening.
Rua is one of those boys. Yeah, really maimai for our boy at the moment. Engari, we'll be alright. We'll hold fast, we'll wait for the call, and when the call comes, no matter what time, we're up. Next point. Koe no moto tātou kaupapa, me haere tonu tātou kaupapa. Engari, first things first, we make sure that we tick off the whānau box first. We won't go anywhere else into anything else until that's ticked.